Draw a circle with a radius of 1 unit at the origin. If we're looking at coordinate geometry, we would say this circle has an equation of x squared plus y squared equals 1. But this video is about trigonometry. So replace x for cos theta and y for sine theta. What we now have is the unit circle with the equation cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. This equation is known as the Pythagorean identity, and today we're using this along with two key pieces of information to find the value of cos theta, given that sine theta is 0.6. Good day guys, this is the Math Base, and in this question we are given sine theta as 0.6 and we're asked to find cos theta. Now let's say theta is between pi on 2 and pi. Key number 1. Use the interval to find theta's quadrant first. Our answer might be negative, so we will need this information later. For now, just note theta is in the second quadrant. So let's start off by squaring sine theta. You can write the power of 2 inside or outside the sign, as they mean the same thing. The only exception to this rule is the power of -1, where one of them is the reciprocal and the other is the inverse. So we find sine squared theta to be 0.36. Plug that into the Pythagorean identity and it looks like this. Now, rearrange your equation so that cos squared theta becomes the subject, sitting on the left-hand side by itself. At this point, you can take the square root of 0.64 to find cos theta, but this creates a trap. Based on the first key, the cast system tells us that cos theta is negative in the second quadrant, right? But we can't just magically introduce a negative to our answer. No, there has to be a fluency in the way we write maths. It must make sense when your examiner reads it. Squaring negative numbers gives you positive results, right? So cos theta could be positive or negative right now. So how do we proceed without trapping ourselves in mathematical legalities? Key number 2. When you square root a value, immediately introduce a plus minus symbol in front of it to indicate both possibilities. Evaluating the root reveals cos theta might be positive or negative 0.8. You may write them together or separately. Now, based on the first key, theta is in the second quadrant, and according to the cast system, cos theta must be negative here, meaning cos theta equals negative 0.8, and that is how you get the answer. So, remember, there are two key pieces of information you need in order to do these types of questions correctly. The first key is to examine theta's quadrant, and the second key is to write the plus minus symbol every time you convert the power of 2 into the square root form. The second key also applies to many scenarios outside of trigonometry, so be on the lookout for that. And hey, if you know any other questions that use it, then please tell me in the comments below. We could work on it in a future video. In the meantime, happy studying, and I hope this helps you enjoy maths more. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and ring the bell. Thanks guys, see you next time.